So here's how to edit video in Capcut app with text. So starting off, once you're in the Capcut application, tap on New Project. Go to the Photo section from the top. Select the photo you want to use from here, and then tap on Add at the bottom. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Text. Enter the text you want to add over here. After that, go to the font section as shown and choose the font that you prefer. Now edit the text size and length as you like. You can try playing it to check. Then, tap on the graphs icon and choose the one you want. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Export. Now, tap on New Project again. Go to the Video section and select the video that you want. Over here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Overlay icon. Then, tap on Add Overlay. From here, select the project you just saved. Edit it as you like. After that, tap on the splice icon below. Choose the effect that you prefer and tap on the tick icon. Now, tap on the play button to check. And that's it. You can now successfully edit a video in Capcut app with text.